Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to sketch a dog from a reference photo. So the first thing you can do is to try and draw with a black marker over the image and create some basic shapes. This way you will better understand how the dog is built. When you've done that, you take a clear page and again start with basic shapes and then add more lines to connect everything together. This type of sketching is good for beginners because you start with basic shapes, you get familiar with the picture, and then by adding more lines you get the final result. And there's one important thing to remember, that practicing is very important. Only by drawing and sketching you can improve your skills. Hey, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, some sketching tutorials, and see you soon!